Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So first thing we're going to do is go into our digital coupons folder and see if you might have gotten this booster. $5 back when you get 20. This is the second week I've gotten this booster. It's valid from the 11th to the 17th. Couple rules for you guys because you love rules. Again, that window of the 11th to the 17th, it is of a one-time use. If you have a paper booster, yes, one paper and one digital stack. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Use your debit, credit card, or bills as it is a spend booster. And yeah, these are always, your mileage may vary. I have received this low one for the last 2 weeks on both of my store cards, so go and check if you might have it. Okay, so let's look at some of these steals or deals of the week. We have 50% off on the number 7, 50% off on the Ferrero Rocher. So it's usually about $12 for the Ferrero Rocher, so about $6. 50% off of kids' toys. And then the Starbucks gift sets. If you look, there's that really adorable red cup with the hot chocolate for $9.99. So starting on Sunday, it's going to be $4.99. Buy 2 with $10 of Walgreens cash, and that is 2 easy gifts for like a letter carrier, your kids' teachers. You know, it's just really cute. Okay, next we have 20% off of selected fragrances and then 29 cents to $9.99 for different Hallmark products. They have these very cheapy bags for 29 cents and they are so stinking cute. Honestly, if I just got that bag for Christmas, I would be happy. There's one with dancing Santas for 29 cents. So adorable. So if you need a quick little filler item, that would be it. And we're going to look at some of these deals a little bit more closely, but $1.99 for the Walgreens toilet paper, that is superb. BOGO free for the Purex detergent, and 3 for $11.99 for the 7-Up drinks. So that toilet paper is of interest. It seems like every other week it's for that sales price. Typically it's like about $5 for that 4-pack, so $4.99, so down to $1.99. It shakes it out to 50 cents per roll. I mean, use Walgreens cash or whatever you have. Very, very good deal for that toilet paper. Okay, so the next deal that we have is 2 for $14 on the Tresemme. And sorry this is so blurred, but this is what we're working with. There's also going to be a 5 off of 2 digital. Let's throw in this booster because, yes, we will get to the $20 mark. If you love Tresemme hairspray, maybe the best deal on earth. Maybe not. So 3 of these is 21 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, make sure you have your booster loaded. You're paying $16 with your debit card, getting back a $5 register reward, and $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster. It makes it $6 for the 3 or $2 per Tresemme. If their mousses and stuff are included, yeah. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using the 5 back when you spend 20 booster. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is with the Crest Oral-B. Definitely check IBOTTA if that Oral-B rebate might show up. I don't see it as of right now. They're $4 a pop. When you buy 3, you get back a $5 reward, and there's going to be a 5 off of 3 online digital coupon. Grabbing 3 tubes of the Crest for $12, subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $7. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for the 3. If you wish to use Walgreens cash, you're not doing this in concert with a booster. Yes, absolutely, go for it. I certainly don't like paying for toothpaste. We get this for free all the time as couponers, but if you really need this, I mean, not the worst price point. Okay, now we have a diaper deal, 2 for $21. So the third one's going to ring up for $10.50 on that sales promotion. $5 reward when you buy 3 of these. This digital coupon, which is $3 off. Hopefully more digital coupons will show up on Sunday morning. We also have this booster to throw into the mix. So grabbing 3 bags of the Huggies, that's $31.50. Subtracting that digital coupon, make sure you have your booster loaded. You're paying $28.50 with your debit card. Getting back $5 in Walgreens cash and a $4 register reward, making it $18.50 for the 3 or $6.16 per bag. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash with that booster, and you can check the different apps on Sunday morning. Maybe something will pop up either on IBOTTA. I think Fetch Rewards has a couple different rebates, but mine are expiring really quickly, so I didn't really want to factor in that math if they're all gone on Sunday morning, but definitely you might be able to save a couple more bucks that way for these diapers. Okay, now the laundry deal of the week, I'm going to throw it to Tide. We either have the fancier 2 for $11, so they're $5.50 a pop, Or if Tide Simply is your thing, 2 for $7, so they're $3.50 a pop. Let's see if there might be some digital coupons for either one on Sunday morning. We'll have to wait and see, but possibly we can make a deal happen with that if you need some fancier detergent. Now, this is interesting. Personal care holiday gift sets. Learn how to read. In-store rewards, $4 off. So is that going to be some instant savings, and what kits are included? If you go over to IBOTTA, there's $5 back. So if this kit is $10, that'll be $4 off. So that'll be $6 out of pocket with $5 back from Ibotta. It's $1 for this kit if it's included. And our best friend, which is the Axe set for $10 with $4 off, that'll be $6. With $3 back from Ibotta, it's going to be $3 for that gift set. So we're going to have to see if that's a digital coupon or instant savings in the store, because that might be really magical to get some gift sets on the cheap with the Ibotta app. Now we have the Maybelline, this little mini eye bar kit. I gave a couple of these away for Christmas and they were a big hit. So these are, I believe, like $9.99, so 25% off. So it'll be like $7.49 or $7.50. We also have a digital coupon, which is $4 off. We had a $5 one, but I think it might have expired, or I might have dreamed that up. I don't remember. So looking at the math for this one, it's going to be $7.49. Subtracting that $4 digital, you're paying $3.49 for 3 different mascaras. That's a very good price point. They're minis, but they're still really cute. And remember, if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, go for it. Okay, so this is part of the video where I don't have the fine print for the ad, so we're just going to do a bit of speculating. 2 of the toothbrushes, that'll be $5.98, $4 reward, super cheap. Now, I'm thinking if there's digital coupons, this might be the freebie with the Colgate Max, so fingers and toes crossed we get our way on Sunday morning. Also, $3 and then $3 back when you buy 2. What is it? We don't know, but they're just saying $3, blah, blah, with a little stars. So I don't know what that is, but this might be a potential for a freebie better than the deal that I showed you, especially if that 5 off of 3 is attaching to this. Also, $7, and then when you buy 4, you get back a $4 register reward. That is a pretty penny to pay $28 for 4 body washes to get $4 back. In the past, Olay used to give us very generous, like 10 off of 4, 12 off of 4. If something like that pops up on Sunday, this potentially can be a deal, but we haven't seen it in probably like 6-8 months, so we'll have to wait and see. Now let's talk really quickly about some honorable mentions. A lot of the toys online, not in store, very cheap, and it looks like they're going to be following that trend next week. So if you missed out on every single toy to order these either to the store or at your store curbside, definitely Sunday or Monday, check that out, the different toys. Also, the food, lots of baking stuff has dropped significantly. These prices are cheaper than most grocery stores around here, especially for the baking chips. I know there's a lot of bakers that watch me. Even the Lily, the sugar-free for $5.99, that's a very good price point. So it's like your one-stop shop for everything, including baking. And then the soda, 3 for $9.99 for those minis. Not the worst price. 2 for $6, getting warmer with that for the Canada Dry. Just some different prices for soda. 3 for $5 for those 2 liters, $2.99 a pop. So yeah, you're getting that third one for free. So very good deal. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.